If you can see this time, the Dogecoin in the last previous days very badly fails down, and absolutely the current time, if you can see here, my friends, the latest time minus 7.53% they fails down. So what's the big reason to they fails down? What we do, sell, hold or buy? What's the prediction, my friend? In upcoming time they move upward or they fails down? Everything discussed in this video with detail. Kindly before I start this brand video, I request you to please subscribe this channel and press bell icon for this type more informative videos. Thank you so much everybody who subscribe on YouTube channel, and most welcome everybody who are new on our channel. Thank you so much. Please like this video also. Alright, if you can see here, the last 24-hour chart is on the screen. After this, my friend, we absolutely are gonna show you the latest update, but this time the prediction is very important. First of all, so minus 6.95% they fails down just in only in the last 24-hour, because my friends, especially the short time investors starting selling, and this is absolutely the start of month. So therefore, my friends, Dogecoin is fails now very fastly. So kindly holders, I hope, my friend, after a very bad fails, they also take a very good jump. But Dogecoin definitely, my friend, from last 2 or 3 weeks, absolutely they are very viral, my friend, because after Elon Musk promotion, they completely go in the moon, and the price is definitely very fastly increased now. But especially, my friend, this week, my friends, they very badly fails now. So therefore, I absolutely, my friend, I cannot expect this today, and I mean this time they fails down. But definitely this is reality, my friend. So the price has come down, my friends, from 0.7 USD dollar to 0.5 USD dollar. Very bad fall, my friends, especially in this week. But after, remember to after a fails, my friends, they take a jump. Yeah, this is reality, my friend. You can see this on the short term, absolutely short fails, short jumps, my friend. You can see here. So this is the circulation time, my friend, of all cryptocurrencies. So this is the big fails, my friend. I hope after this break, my friends, they take a very long jump. So I hope in upcoming times they move upward like a rocket. So don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time, especially for long time investor who invest for a long time. Don't sell it. Remember to in upcoming times they move upward like a rocket. So absolutely hope you understand, my friends. Kindly trust on ABSA channel. I hope you never lost. So subscribe this channel for latest update and press bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, Dogecoin holders.